Okay, YouTube, I was able to get a hold of a rare exclusive Mountain Dew Cake Smash. Mountain Dew produced a very small amount of these. Few they gave away in, like, from what I understand, contest winners. Some they sold on their website. I, unfortunately, was not one of the lucky ones to win it, nor was I able to spy on the website. It was really quick. I had to buy it from a third party, and I paid a lot more for it. But I wanted to get it and review it. Here it is. I already opened up the outer box, which is cool that the Scotch tape had like Mountain Dew on it, Cake Smash. Look at that. Whoops, can't see it, sorry. Isn't that cool? Awesome, awesome, awesome. Very cool. Oh, yes. Oh my, look at that. So this is basically just an unboxing video of it. But this is how Mountain Dew packed it. There you go, 220 calories. Cake Smash Dew with a rush of artificial cake flavor. Look how cool that can looks. That is awesome. Other than the 6 cans, these are all identical. Cool. Awesome sauce. Awesome, awesome, awesome sauce. Okay, just want to do a quick little unboxing video and show you what this looks like. This is cool.